and it looks like it's a landslide. So we're going to back up and go the other way. Hello, this is Jake, and today I'm heading to Alberta. We're all on lockdown, as I've said before. However, I have to get roof tiles because we got a hole in the roof and it's causing big problems. The rain's already got in, damaged one room, so we got to get this roof sorted. So it is essential today that I'm going. I actually have a roof tile in there, in the front, so we can match them up and get the right ones. I think it's a ridge tile actually. And I thought I'd start the video on a quiet road by Moseley Green, where I have a lot of my dinners and food. It's really nice there. Actually, I think it's called the Rising Sun now because there's a sign over there. And this is a really quiet road, but not during lockdown. There's cars everywhere. During lockdown, I've seen more cars on this road than ever before. But we have the sheep over there. You see the sheep? One of the problems in the forest, you've got to be very careful, especially when you're driving a Porsche 911. I've took the Porsche today. I was going to take Hugo, but I thought I'd take the Porsche. Can't get over how busy this road is. I've set the dash cam up in the car, in the Porsche, not a car, it's a Porsche. So what I'm going to do is just get some footage of the forest roads, because beautiful roads to drive around, and I got to cut through the forest to get to where I'm going, because I think one of the roads are closed, but we'll head that way anyway. If it is closed, I'm going to have to come back through and go the other way. But yeah, let's go and have a look. Hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, let's go. road closed. I passed the signs, I was intrigued to see what the road was closed for, and it looks like it's a landslide. So we're going to back up and go the other way. I've got to get to Alberta to sort some roof tiles out because we got a leak on our roof. So that's where I'm off to. But yeah, we're going to have to turn around today. Okay, this is probably not the best road to be taking my Porsche on, but we're nearly there. Okay, so I found a place at these lovely lanes, but it was okay, you know, nice people as well. Here they are. Well, this is one of them. The other two have been put in the hood, in the front. Now, the reason I've done that is just to spread the weight. They're very heavy, so two in the front, one in the back, so the front is not too heavy. But yeah, let's get going. Get some fresh air in this car because it's very hot. So I'm going to take the A48 back home, I think. Okay, I've pulled up. The car's getting very hot. While it is going down the lanes, first gear, you know, I'm just being steady. Don't want to meet anything and then brake and then you lock up because a lot of it was gravel and then slide into the car. So I was taking my time. Car's got a little bit hot as I hear a train going by. So I've got to wait here about 5-10 minutes, take some pictures because I nearly pulled up over that actually. It's very nice. I must come down here with some friends to do some filming. Which was that's an awesome car coming. But yeah, we got the things, the roof tile parts. There's the engine of my Targa. 3.6 litre, of course. Flat sits. And yeah, so far so good. I'll let you know. Well, we'll see how good the footage comes out on the dash cam, but I am planning to get two proper nice cameras for filming inside the car. But it's actually quite nice here, parked in the shade. It's very cool. I'm going to take my hoodie off. I don't know why I wore a hoodie today, but yeah, there she is. She's looking beautiful. And I've been thinking since the last video was showing you just some of the cosmetic problems with the car. I might have it resprayed. If it's going to be sprayed at the panels anyway to get the marks out, I might just spray it the blue I've always wanted in a Porsche 911. So something to look forward to the future. Won't be anytime soon because I got to get a load of things done first. I want new wheels and everything. But yeah, we'll let the car cool down and we'll get going. Okay, so just having a walk around, taking some snaps of the Targa. The road's very quiet. It's a good place to come. I might come here more often, especially with the classic Fiat 500. However, if you're that person who's missing that one jigsaw piece that just needs to complete the perfect picture, I found it. I don't know if it's yours. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Bit of greenery. Let's just put it in place to match the plants. There we go. So yeah, that jigsaw piece is here if you're missing it.